Hey! ZaneL.A back with another video. We be attaching fucking snowboards to tractors riding around the town. Hope you enjoy, boy.
Zane's gonna be riding a boogie board out this shit. Zane, you ready?
Huh?
Go, Tyler.
You gotta hold the brake down and then press. What the fuck is wrong with this?
Tyler, I'll drive
I
it.
can do it. I know how to do
Here,
it.
get off.
Here, you can ride that shit. Why can't? I'm
Oh,
not
shit.
doing anything.
No, we are having a substitution.
Oh, I'm fucking scared.
Tyler will be riding.
Wait, where's the rope that I hold on to? There's no rope that you hold on. Oh, alright. I'm totally fine with it.
Tyler will be riding the boogie board, and Zane will be driving. RJ's just standing there like an idiot. Go, Zane! Oh no, he's turning up the speed of your phone.
No! 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 No, turn. Wait.
Oh, like RJ's going.
Go.
Go fast, Zane.
It's on my driver's license because I hit a cat.
Your neighbor's cat?
No, just some black cat.
Why it got to be the black one?
And he looks really fat and old. So
Go, Zane!
he needs to die.
Fat and old. Like you, Tyler. Oh shit, I'm going on the other side. Do it for Wyoming.
Go! Come on!
God damn it!